Let's see if I can capture a video of the CTS inlet pipe I just installed. This was a pain in the butt right here. It even cracked on me. Look at that. Cracked on me when I was taking it out. I struggled maybe 20 minutes just with this. But good thing my car doesn't have any oil inside. Good sign is I saw some other cars that have a little bit of oil. I think I got lucky with this mk7. She's been good to me lately. But here's how she sounds like on a standstill. Let me see if I can get a video for you guys. Sorry about the video quality. It's only me recording. I wish I had a helper. Hold on. Sounds a little better. You can tell the difference right away in the noise. I have the intake with a downpipe, and this car is stage 2. Well, yeah, guys. I'll see if I make a better video. See if I find a helper later on throughout the week, and I upload another video of how it sounds like when I'm out of the car.